Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about and introduce volume. So what I've done is right here I have drawn a three-dimensional rectangular solid. First thing I want to talk about is what volume is. So volume is a measure of the space inside a solid shape, a three-dimensional shape like this prism up here. The volume of a solid is the number of cubic units it takes to fill that solid. So think of it as like seeing how much of these 1 by 1 cubes, if I were to draw this from a three-dimensional perspective, these all measure 1 by 1 by 1. So for two-dimensional figures, we would measure things with length and width. For volume, we now have a third dimension. We have what's called length, width, and height, how tall an object is. So all we're doing to find the volume of a rectangular solid, such as this one, is just multiplying those three measurements together, length times width times height. And our measurement will be in units cubed. So for this example, let's say for each of these, I was going to put some numbers in. Let's say the height is 2 centimeters, the width is 3 centimeters, and the length is 4 centimeters. All I do is multiply these three numbers together. Doesn't really matter the order, but for consistency, I'll just show you which. So 4 for the length, 3 for the width, and 2 for the height. Just multiply the three numbers together. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24 centimeters cubed. And we write 3 when we're dealing with volume because each figure that we find the volume for will be a three-dimensional object. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.